Power switch is conveniently located at the rear of the device, making centrifuge operation safe from accidental switching off, which might happen if the lab space is limited. Main screen is easy to understand and to follow. All important parameters like speed, temperature, and time are within your touch on one screen. No need to switch between knob to knob or from button to button. This way, a possibility of missing one of the programming steps is minimized. General purpose Pro centrifuges are equipped with the Centrifuge Health Status button, which indicate not only the current status of your centrifuge, but also of your rotor. Within your reach is information about number of operating cycles, number of estimated hours, as well as log of alerts. Optimization of centrifugational parameters for cell culture might get tricky. That's why we recommend optimizing speed, temperature, and duration of run for every cell line that you work with. A safe starting point for parameter optimization would be 500 Gs at room temperature for 5 minutes. Let's place the rotor inside the centrifuge. Autolock enables fast and secure rotor placement or exchange within 3 seconds. This feature is particularly important for the cell culture lab because this way your cleaning and disinfecting procedures are easy to follow and they are of paramount importance for preventing contamination. For the cell culture application, we recommend using swinging bucket rotor, as it has 90-degree centrifugation angle, allowing you to collect cells exactly where you want them to be, at the bottom of the tube. Also, this way avoiding possible shear stress that might happen to the cells if using fixed angle type of the rotor. Fixed angle rotors are used for applications requiring fast sedimentation speed and higher G forces, for example in molecular biology field. Certain cell culture experiments are timed precisely and they require equipment to be ready at specific time point and at certain temperature. If that's your case, now you can pre-program your centrifuge to accommodate this requirement with our new feature, Scheduled Start. Let's say you want your centrifuge to be ready on Monday at 8 a.m. and at 4 degrees. Afterwards, you need to save your settings. So let's start by placing samples inside the rotor. As you can see, the main screen is showing only the most important information and the current status of your run. Cell culture labs can get very noisy because of all the equipment that operates simultaneously, and it might not be easy to recognize that your centrifugation run is over. That's why general purpose Pro centrifuges are now equipped not only with the audio but also visual notifications. As you can hear and see, the run is over. So let's see how the sample is looking like. As expected, the cell pellet is formed at the bottom of the tube, making it easier to decant the supernatant and resuspend the pellet in the appropriate amount of cell culture medium for future passaging or other cell culture work. In order for your cell culture experiments to be reproducible, they need to be thoroughly documented. Through this USB port, you can extract all information about run, about alerts, as well as health status of this centrifuge. With this, I would like to introduce to you our new general purpose Pro centrifuge, which is seamless and powerful at every turn.